what is a constructor? A constructor is just like any other method or function in a class, but the only difference is that if the name of the class is, let's say, A, then this function also has the name A. So it's a function with the same name as the class name. Uh, so there are two kinds of constructors. One constructor with no arguments, it is called a default constructor, and a constructor with arguments. It can be any data types, strings, ints, or any. It can be an object of another class. It can be another object class here. Uh, so this is this is what actually the constructor is of a function with the same name as the class name, and it can have an argument or it can have no arguments. And if it has no argument, it's called a default constructor. And whenever we create an object of this class, like we do new A, for example, then always the default constructor is called. And if, let's say, we have a class B and we don't define any constructor function in it, but let's say any sum or subtract function only, and it does some work, but there is no constructor defined, any means no function with the same name as class name, then this default constructor, which is this one, like B, this will be implicitly called whenever you do new B, whenever you create an object of the class B. Constructors can be, of course, overloaded. What we did here was constructor overloading. Just like we have method overloading, you can have constructor overloading. Yeah, like you can have more than one constructor with different number of arguments or types of arguments. So that's it.